Next slide is very offensive kasi medyo gross yung kanyang manifestations and lesions. Next slide. This one is skin cancer cell carcinoma. Usually, squamous cell sa mga sa mga thick skin, bigla na lang, di ba minsan meron tayong kinakakot, akala mo pimple, minsan akala mo allergy lang. Kutkot ka ng kutkot hanggang sa lumaki. I have one patient, ewan ko kung magpapatreat sa akin, ginagamot siya ng ng squamous cell carcinoma, but she's not coming back pa sa akin. Gusto kong pag-crypto. Sa ilong naman, akala niya pimple lang. Ngayon, yung butas sa ilong niya kasi laki niya ng bekchin ko. Kumbaga kinakain ng skin niya. This one, they put PIPAR topically, and then after that, nag-dried up na yung lesions niya. Next slide. And also this one, marami siyang sakit, gallstone disease, liver disease, nangihina. After taking crypto, yun, medyo lumakas-lakas na si tatay. I think this is from Bangkok, Thailand. Mukhang monk siya. And this one, 22-year-old, may thrombocytopenia, meaning to say, mababa yung platelet count niya. And then, bumaba na siya almost 60, parang sa dengue. Pero sa kanya kasi is thrombocytopenia na disease, hindi siya viral disease. After taking crypto, nag-improve yung blood production niya ng platelet. Kasi mamaya, I will discuss later on yung sa blood constituents, yung blood production, kung paano nag-work ang crypto. Next slide. And this one, kasi matagal na sila hindi nagkakaanak due to hormonal imbalance, hormonal problem. After taking crypto and some cleansing, ito po yung ating nag-discuss sa ating mga yung peak performance, yung program, mga ganun. Nagkaanak sila after taking crypto. Kumbaga marami na silang pinasoltahan na fertility testing, mga ganyan. Tapos yun po, nagkaanak po sila. Next time. Ito po yung naging baby nila. Kaya, during that time, nung nagkaroon siya ng baby, naging hype dun sa bansa nila kasi because of the work of crypto, ng PIPAR, na-achieve yung magkaroon sila ng baby. Next slide. This one is bone marrow cancer. Usually, pag may bone marrow cancer, mahina kasi laging nagpapatransfuse ng blood kasi mababa yung production ng blood natin. After that, hindi na siya nagpapablood transfusion after crypto and PIPAR, yung concentrated na nilagay natin sublingually. And then she can walk with no pain, no more swelling, and she can eat well, and she gained almost 83 to 831, 83 pounds to 94 pounds. Ito po yung kanina, yung mesis, bilateral side, after taking pediatric dose, 1 piece 3 times a day, lumiit yung cyst niya, na-cancel na po yung operation. Next slide. Ito po, anti-aging component. Later on, why is it anti-aging? Because before, nung pinapadiscuss sa akin yung cryptomonadales, ang usually na-emphasize yung PIPAR component. But there are trace elements like phycocyanin, chlorophyll, tsaka mga minerals ng B complex, selenium, calcium, magnesium. Kailangan natin laging sa cells para hindi tayo tumanda agad. Sino po dito ang 40 and above, taas yung kamay? Ano yung tsura natin? Mukha ba tayo 30? Sino mga 60? 60 and above po. Ayan, 60. Mukhang feeling 40 ba? Kasi ngayon, di ba, tayo nagpaparet ko, gusto maging 40 lang. I-stop lang hanggang 40. O ako po, 20 plus. Next slide. Ito po, some property nung mamaya simple nature therapy, may cleanse tayo. Yan, makakapag-lose po tayo ng weight. And actually, ng medicine life, puro kain po puro duty, napapabayaan yung sports. Right now, habang nagpo-practice ako, mas gumanda po yung katawan ko. Right now, I always taking crypto for substituents sa ibang product. Next slide. Paki-press mo siya. Ay, previous slide. Ito po yung natin, general speaking, ito po yung didiscuss natin mamaya. Activates the general metabolism, normalize the metabolism of lipids, sugar, and also normalizes blood and blood constituents. Next slide. Si Dr. Bernard, sinabi niya kasi that nutrition is the best single therapy to be applied in the holistic healing arts. And we must treat the whole patient. Right now, ang family medicine, ER medicine, di ba pag nagpagamot tayo, ay, masakit po yung lalamunan ko. Minsan tinitignan lalamunan lang. Pero family med, general medicine, ER, lahat tinitignan. Much better talaga holistic, tignan mo yung buong sistema ng tao. Kasi pag pinakas mo na yung isa, yung pala may iba pala, secondary effect lang yun ng isang sakit. And during the 80s, he was diagnosed to have prostate cancer. After proper nutrition, medyo nag-heal yung kanyang prostate cancer. And up to now, medyo bata pa siya tignan. Si Dr. Hippocrates, yung father of medicine, totoo po yung sinasabi niya before. Hindi lang siya father of medicine, tama po yung sinabi niya na let thy food be thy medicine and let thy medicine be thy food.